Right now, it may seem like your carefree days of laughing and having fun are over. Everywhere you look, kids seem to be having a good time without any problems or concerns. Not you. You feel like you have the weight of the world on your shoulders. But we want you to know that you are not alone. There are people at the courthouse who will help you get your life back together again, making it safer and happier for you. This video is all about those people who will help you do just that. When children go to court and talk about what happened, it's called testifying. You'll probably testify in your case, just like Jeremy did. And as he tells us, it wasn't like he thought it would be at all.
Not like one of those TV acts that you see, did you hit the car or something like that. It's really, they tell you in a nice way. It's not like they're gonna yell at you for every little thing you do. If you make a mistake, they're not gonna yell at you. It's gonna be like your loving, sweet mom that's gonna be nice to you and tells you in a nice voice, not like Judge Judy. It's gonna be a really nice judge, and everything's gonna end up well, not like Judge Judy. So don't think it's nothing like that.
One of the first things many kids do is give an interview at the Child Advocacy Center. This is one of the most important first steps in getting the help you need for you and your family.
If they have questions for you, they ask me in my ear, and then I ask you. Okay? We also videotape everything. That way you don't have to keep saying it again and again. Okay?
Here you'll meet Bee. Bee is a child interview specialist. It's her job to talk to you about what might have happened to you.
Hi, I'm Bee. I'm the one they brought you to talk to, and all we're going to do is talk. Actually, it's what I do every day. I just talk to kids. You're not in any trouble, and you're going to hear me say that again and again. When we're talking, if I get something wrong, it's okay to tell me I'm wrong. You're not in any trouble. If you don't know, it's okay to say I don't know. And once in a while, I might ask you a question more than once. It's not that you gave me a wrong answer, just maybe that I don't understand. When we're talking, you can say anything you want. You can use whatever words you want. You don't get in trouble. And you don't have to worry about people saying that you're saying anything wrong, because nobody's going to get embarrassed. Like I said, I talk to the kids all the time. So if you want to know something, please ask. This is basically meant to keep you safe. And the main idea behind it is to hear what happened from you.
Let's hear about Christy's experience at the Child Advocacy Center.
I was nervous about this because I didn't like talking about what happened. But Bee was nice, and she made me feel a lot better. She told me I wasn't the only one who's gone through this. It was easy talking to Bee, and it actually felt good to just talk about it finally.
After your interview at the Child Advocacy Center, you may be seen by a doctor or nurse. They'll give you a quick medical checkup just to make sure that your body is all okay. And sometimes the doctor will give you medicine if you need it.
When I had to go through this, I was so embarrassed. But the doctor was nice, and I felt relief just to know I was okay.
The next place you'll go to is the District Attorney's Office, which is at the courthouse. There you'll meet a lawyer called a Deputy District Attorney, a police detective, and an advocate who will be your special friend. They'll want to talk to you a little and get to know you to find out what's important to you so they can best help you in the court process.
They told me to have really good confidence, don't be scared, and don't be nervous when you get into the court. If you want to do well, just do well. And I really want to thank them because they really did help me in the process of being in court.
Hi, I'm Valerie Israels and I work for the District Attorney's Office. I'm a lawyer and I work with policemen. And what my job is to help children when bad things happen to them. I'm here to protect them and to help them. And the reason you're here today is because we believe you and we want to help you. I want to understand what happened to you, so I'm going to talk to you, and maybe we're going to go to court. I'm going to go with you to court, and there'll be a lot of people there with you, so it won't be a very scary experience. You'll have a lot of support around you. Just keep in mind that the reason you're here today is because we believe what you have to say, and we want to help you, and we're here for you.
Hi, my name is Eric, and I'm a detective with the police department. My job is to protect children and keep them safe. One way I do this is by talking with lots of people, including kids like you. I look for proof or evidence that can be used in court. It's important to remember that just as you get in trouble when you break the rules at home or school, adults can also get in trouble when they don't follow the rules or when they don't do what is right.
Hi, my name is Chris with Victim Witness, and when you come to court, I'll be here waiting for you. My whole job is to make this process as easy as possible for you. Whether it is sitting answering questions with the district attorney, I'll be there. If you need to take a break, if you need to use the restroom, get a glass of water, or if you need anything, you just let me know. And my whole concern is to make this as safe and secure for you as possible.
Now let's go into the courtroom and see what it's like in there.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
In the courtroom, everyone has a special job and must follow courtroom rules. Some jobs you can tell just by what they're wearing, and some jobs you can tell by what they're doing. There are even special rules for how you should act in the courtroom. They're a lot like the way you should act in your school classroom. Dress neatly, be on time, be respectful of others in court. Do not talk until it's your turn. Always pay attention. And above all else, always tell the truth. Now let's meet some of the people in the courtroom. The judge is the person in the black robe sitting at the big desk in the front of the courtroom.
Hello, my name is Judge Loftus. I am the judge who hears cases about families and their children, and I am here to make sure that you're treated fairly. If you need anything, you just need to let me know. I am the person who makes the decision in the case, and I will promise you that you will be treated fairly and you will be treated with respect.
Now let's meet the person off to the side there who looks like a policeman. He's called the bailiff.
Hi there, my name is Richard, and I'm the bailiff in the courtroom. My job is to make sure everyone in the courtroom is safe and secure, especially you.
You've probably been wondering who that person is sitting near the judge typing on a little typewriter. That person is the court reporter, whose job it is to write down every word that people say in the courtroom. She has to do that because a writing has to be kept of everything that happens in court, just in case someone asks later on about what happened on this day in court.
Hi, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the courtroom. The most important thing when you come into the courtroom and you testify is to tell the truth. That's the only thing that you really need to remember. If you don't know the answer to something, it's okay to say that you don't know. And if you don't remember the answer to something, it's okay to say I don't remember. If there is something that will help you to remember, then let me know, and I'll try to do my best to show you something or to help you to remember. Another thing I want you to do when you come in the courtroom is to speak very clearly. If you nod your head or you shake your head, then the lady in front of you, called the court reporter, who's typing everything down, is not going to understand what you're saying. And we need to get a good record of what's going on in the courtroom. We need to understand what you're saying. After I ask you some questions, another lawyer is going to get to ask you some questions as well. And at the end of it all, the judge is going to make a decision, and we're going to try to do what's best for you and your family.
Let's hear what Jeremy has to say about when he went to court.
I was kind of nervous, but then I wanted justice, so I told them all the truth, and I didn't get scared. I looked into their eyes, and I told them what I seen and how it felt over there. But it wasn't like, oh my gosh, I'm really, really scared. It's just coming out just like you're talking. Don't have to be scared, nothing's gonna happen. There's cops everywhere, so you don't have to worry. So all you have to do is tell them what you saw and tell the truth. Don't tell lies or nothing like that. And when you come out with the truth, it feels so good, and you know that you did the right thing.
So this is what going to court is all about. It's about you, the truth, and what we can do to make your life better.
There's a lot of people that are there for you. They don't know you, but they're trying to help you to do well, not get scared, and show you that nothing's gonna happen to you in the court. Just stay positive, and everything's gonna be okay. You would be doing things you never thought you would do because you were all scared and all that. But after the end, you're gonna be doing a lot of stuff like play video games, play basketball, football, all those little things you like to do that you thought you would never be doing again.